Redeem airplane points. In today's video, you are going to learn how to redeem airplane points for flights. So let's get started. First, visit aircanada.com website and enter travel details. We need your departure, destination, and dates. Check the box Book with Points. Log into your airplane account, optional but recommended. Login gives access to preferred pricing. You can also see the weekly award calendar showing the lowest point prices. Now, browse flight options, review the available flights, and choose the one that fits your schedule. Flights may have different reward levels, standard, flex, latitude. Each level has different points, requirements, and perks. Then select your payment method. You can pay fully with points or a mix of points and cash. Taxes and fee can also be covered with points if desired. Then complete the booking process to redeem your points for your flight. And that's how you will be able to redeem airplane points for flights.